There's an upstairs, but we can go up there.
It looks so old.
Mom,
Look
there's
at
an
this table.
upstairs, but we can't go up there.
Oh yeah, because it has a chain on it. What do you think,
I
Lovey? Look at
wonder where they had a kitchen.
These are like old ones. All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Turn up the light. Come on. This is actually kind of nice.
Wait, don't forget to close the door.
Come on, Lovey. We'll go see over there too. Oh, don't forget this. Nia, right here. Not yet.
I think this is the big house. Wow, so nice. That looks like a house that looks like a house in White House, remember?
This one?
Yeah. I feel like I've seen a house like that. Oh my god, it's huge though.
Oh, this is a church.
Oh, it is? I thought it was
Uh-huh.
just a house.
It's a church.
It's a church house.
I don't know. Can we go get inside?
It's crazy how they have this though.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
I can only see in a movies like this. Remember? Like old movies. There's an echo too. Hello! Oh my god. That's creepy. Okay, let's go.
Imagine what this place is. Mommy, imagine what this place is at night. How do you close a door?
Just like that. I guess. Whoa.
Alright,
Okay, let's go.
let's go to Wood House now. I'll do it. Huh? I thought there were people inside.
No, there's none. Lovey.
Just imagine that.
You're scared.
Whoa. A
Okay.
snow hill. Wheeler, right? A pickaxe.
Wow.
Oh my
This is like
god.
a old.
Look at this. It's like even molded. I love looking at this.
Oh my
because-
god, look at this thing.
Oh my god. I love it because it's a part of history.
It
Mommy,
does.
look at this thing. It's so rusty and oldie.
And there's some kind of machine.
I'm not gonna move it. Whoa.
Whoa.
It is so big.
Oh my god, look at that.
Scary. I don't like it. It looks scary.
It looked like the old movies, like haunted thingy.
Oh my god, they do. And then there's like a person running.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't make that. It's so scary. Oh my Look, I never seen barrels in my life. Yeah, I never seen that too.
Like old barrels.
Wait, need water.
Okay, you guys are ready?
Yeah. Are you ready?
You ready, Lovey?
Yeah.
Come on.
Whoa. I'm gonna get on. I have a huge, big fear of heights, so this is gonna be challenging. Bro, how do you go up this much and think it's fine? Like imagine,
Mia, you slow down, okay?
like Mom, imagine having to go up this
No
ramp.
running, Lovey. You wait for us right here.
So Mom, imagine how his name's George E. Monroe. Monroe. Marilyn Monroe.
All right, keep going.
Meredith Jordan. Oscar Taylor. Robert Sunshine. Robert
We are all the way up already. Nia, don't look down. Don't look down. Wow. Up to here, Nia. Don't go
Oh
all
my
the
god,
way.
how are you okay with not slipping on those slides?
That's why there's a fence.
We are so high. Oh my god. Mommy, look
It's
how
scary
high.
looking down.
Bro, I know for a fact when we're going down, we are gonna be running for like a second.
It feels like tickling your feet when you're looking down. Okay, let's go back down.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Taylor Banks, J. Milton Laws, Shep
Nia, I told you no
Calvin
running.
and Robert Cropper, Pepsi, the Glider Company, let me see, Hastings Brothers Painters.
Nia,
The
Nia, slow down.
Nia, come here.
Okay, okay.
Alice Addington. It's a nice name, Alice Addington. Imagine your last name and your first name is the same letter. Couldn't be me. Couldn't be me. It's so stupid.
All right.
Look up there.
Okay, we didn't see that yet.
Oh my god,
Over
we
there.
are so high.
Look at this, so old.
I think I saw. Can you hold this? I can hold it. Hold it. No. Water is moving in life. It's necessary.
Okay, ready?
And I need water, and I'm gonna be carrying this water for now.
Okay, let's go over there.
I'm gonna be carrying some water.
Ronin, you didn't close my bag.
Here you go, Mom.
Look at this.
So please go. It is so small. But it's
The ceiling is really low.
like, look, I can almost touch it.
I can touch it.
So low. It is so scary. Yeah, like this is a house for you. Yeah, because I'm super late. Can't even go in there.
Where?
The wood thing. Actually, I think we can. Look.
Let's go, Lovey.
Scared.
You get scared.
Yeah, Mom, I want your hand.
It's okay.
Whoa. Everything is so scary.
Wow.
It's so old. Mommy, this is like made to use. This looks like it was made to like newspaper and stuff. See, like. This is scary. Oh my god, a typewriter. I never seen one of these in my whole world.
I saw these on YouTube. That's financial.
Oh my
So
god.
typing
Mom,
on their
Nia, stop.
typewriter.
Nia, stop. Oh my god, I never seen one of these in my whole life. Have you?
This is very old one.
I saw these before.
Yeah, I seen these. They were made around the 1800s.
I seen those before on YouTube. I seen a typewriter on YouTube before. I did. Look at how this is so big. That is
Benjamin Franklin.
There's a thing in case there's fire.
I love Benjamin Franklin. He was amazing.
Renaissance press. letterpress printing and typography. So that's what it is. Wow.
Oh, it's so scary.
So scary.
Yeah, I don't like it. Look, there's an old hammer.
Alright, let's go back.
Okay, let's go back and see something else. Oh my god, this thing. Chalks. I saw chalks. Okay.
There's another one there.
Let's go get our
Whoa.
my these shoes are clumsy. After this, should we go to a picnic table? There's a crazy.
There's another one there that we could look over there.
I want to go on that one. I want to see that one.
Okay.
That house. Look how small it is. It's so small. Look how small that house is. I will go on that one.
Ronnie, can you push this for me?
Can you hold the water bottle? Can you hold the water bottle? Alright, Mom, I'll push it.
It's alright, nobody.
Oh, okay.
It looked like a where they make a pot.
Mom, let's leave the door that right there and come inside.
Oh, it's closed.
Huh?
You really can't go in, huh? It's closed. Okay. Take a peek.
It's just for gardening.
Yeah, okay. Let's close this thing.
We don't want to see this.
Okay.
Scary.
There's another one there. So this one is not that, it's not that big. We have a pumpkin growing over there. Wow.
Mom, we already went to everything.
Did we went there?
Yeah. The green one? Yeah. No, we didn't go to that one.
Yes, we did.
Hey,
We
quiet
did
now,
that
please.
second.
Okay, let's go.
Let's sit down.
No, Mommy, we didn't go on that one.
Yes, we did.
No, no.
Yes, we did. It was short.
No, we didn't go on that one.
The green one.
Yeah, over there.
We went on it. Yes, we did.
Okay, let's go. Come
I
on.
want to go on the other side.
Yeah, come on.
Hello, Mr. Zion. Oh my God.
Isn't it the same? Wow. Look at the dust.
Desk used to be like that.
Yeah, it used to be. Look, they taking back like that. It's so creepy. Oh, wow. Okay, we didn't see this one before. Oh, it's so creepy. Why are they
Mia, look at all these little pots.
Oh, God,
Look at the lights.
oh, it's scary.
Uh-huh.
Oh my God, look at the ferns.
Oh, God, it's so scary. Don't touch it. You think I'm gonna touch
I think this is their heater way back then. That's their heater.
Let's just put a little, whatever it's called, in the middle of the room.
I only see this thing from the movie.
behind you?
What is it?
This is so
This is their pen way back then.
Yeah, you know. It's like an
Look at those teachers. listen.
Look at the chalkboard.
Old books.
Look at this chalkboard. People.
Look at all these
I
notes.
ate a.
Look at these maps right here. Look at these. Down on the table inside it. Dad, look right like that.
People right on here.
All right, you guys ready? Come on.
So scary.
Oh wait, there's more in here.
They learn. Right here. Hey, it's scary.
Uh-huh.
I never seen those types of books.
Green doors.
So it's not that huge.
Yeah, it takes us everywhere.
Yeah.
Have you been to that red house right there?
Yes, we have the.
Yeah, we did.
Stop at. We just did. Mommy, look how tall these trees are.
I know.
It's like.
Whoa, it's so cool. How high these trees are. We never have a tall
See, Mom, we
tree.
could have just go through there and then we would be fine.
Where?
Look, we could have went to the back and then circle all the way and boom.
Well, we can go here. Come on.
Shade, please help me.
Oh, this one is hard to push.
Oh my god, shade.
Mommy, I'm
You tired now, Lovey?
yeah, sitting.
Well, we're almost done.
I'm
Wait.
going in here.
You're not going in there.
I'm gonna go in there. In the store.
Where? Where? In the stroller?
We're about to go in the car.
We're almost done.
I'm gonna go in the store.
Mia, just last a couple seconds. Can you do that?
I'm gonna go.
But can you push that, please? All right.
You're not picking yourself out.
Stop. Don't, please. Be nice. All right.
Girl, stop.
Okay, we're almost done. Look at this. This is so huge.
It's hard to push.
There. Come on.
Yeah, you're so heavy. Yeah. Yeah, you're too heavy to push. Get out.
Nia, can you get up first? When we go to the over there, then
Yeah,
you can
Nia,
sit.
and you don't even have to be in these anymore. Get out of it.
Come on. It's okay. It's okay. Look at this thing. Hey, let's go. Ronin. Nia, can you open the door, please?
Can I go for anything?
Okay, we're done. Come on. Oh, this is exhibit door. Come on. Lovey, open, I said. Open.
Museum store. Okay.
It's heavy. Thanks.
Yeah, this is where we came from. Look.
Alright, I'll be back.
Hey.
Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Pocomoke.
Oh, Pocomoke.
Yeah, we lived in.
Yeah, we live in Pocomoke.
Yeah.
But this is our